an exciting journey into the world of irregular adjectives and adverbs. Hello, language explorers. In today's video, we're diving into a very intriguing aspect of English language learning. We're focusing on irregular adjectives and adverbs. By the end of this video, you will understand what they are, why they're unique, and how to use them correctly in your conversations. Before we jump into the irregular types, let's do a quick review. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, particularly nouns or pronouns. For example, in the sentence, "She has a beautiful dress," beautiful is an adjective describing the noun, dress. On the other hand, adverbs often describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They can tell you how, when, where, or to what extent something was done. For instance, in the sentence, "He runs quickly," quickly is an adverb that describes the verb, runs. Now, regular adjectives and adverbs follow a predictable pattern. For instance, we form most adverbs in English by adding "ly" to an adjective. If we have the adjective quick, adding "ly" gives us the adverb quickly. But what happens when this rule doesn't apply? That's where our irregular adjectives and adverbs come in. Irregular adjectives and adverbs are those that don't follow the standard rules for transformation or comparison. There are two types. 1. Adverbs that don't end in "ly." These adverbs are identical to their adjective form. A common example is fast. In both, "She is a fast runner," adjective, and "she runs fast," adverb, fast, stays the same. 2. Irregular forms of comparison. Most adjectives and adverbs in English follow a regular pattern in their comparative and superlative forms. But irregular adjectives and adverbs don't follow this rule. For instance, good, positive form, becomes better, comparative form, and best, superlative form, instead of gooder and goodest. To truly understand these, let's look at some examples. For irregular adverbs, consider hard. It remains hard. Whether you're using it as an adjective, "He is a hard worker," or an adverb, "He works hard." And for the irregular forms of comparison, consider bad. Instead of badder or baddest, we say worse and worst. So, "He feels bad today" can become "He feels worse than yesterday," and finally, "He feels the worst he's ever felt." Understanding irregular adjectives and adverbs can significantly improve your English language proficiency. It adds nuance and precision to your expressions. So, keep practicing, and don't let these irregularities throw you off your learning journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these irregular adjectives and adverbs in your daily English conversations. You'll soon get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and stay tuned for more exciting English lessons. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.